Sparkles here. You want to know what just chafes my britches? America losing its common sense en masse, and the Supreme Court losing its common sense. Now I'm going to tell you why. I am really upset, and as a matter of fact, I object to the Supreme Court's view. And I'm going to lose my nose again. Hello, Earth to somebody. Supreme Court giving rights to suspected terrorists. Here's why I object. Down and dirty. Here it is. Okay? When 9/11 happened, we declared war against the terrorists. Not a nation, because we couldn't pin it on one country. We had to declare war on the terror acts. Now, whether they're a nation or an entity, we declared war on them. Therefore, our military should handle this. And it is outrageous that the civilian court should have anything to do with any of the people that are detained because they are some part of a potential hazard to our nation or any other nation. And I'm sorry about the inconvenience, and I know it's horrible if you're innocent, but our military isn't horrible. They're very sharp, very well trained, and yeah, there have been some mistakes, but good God, there are mistakes in every nation on the planet and in every war since before any of us can even remember. There have been errors made, and that's bad, but the majority of the time they work beautifully, efficiently, and to protect us. And how are they supposed to protect us when we don't have any common sense? Hello? The civilian courts don't even have the information they need to properly deal with. Some of it could be intelligence or national security. And here we have a military court system that would protect the security, and it would still give justice to people. It may take a while. Look, they let some people go, and what they do, they went around and they already killed people, including some of our soldiers. Hello, Earth? Earth to anybody with any common sense. I can't believe that we haven't got any more sense than this. I object, I object, I object. I think we need to stop neutering our military and our government that's trying to protect us. We've gone too far. Whoops, there goes the nose. That's how upset I am about this thing. We've gone too far. And the majority of the people need to be protected. And yes, there will be some groups, special interest groups, whatever, that may have their feelings hurt. But the majority of the people shouldn't have to be beat down by a small group here and a small group there. You know? It is very important that we get this right, because if we don't, hello, it's going to hurt all of us. So I object, and I think we need to let our military handle this effort. That's all I got to say.